This is a 2013 Pleasureway XL TS, and the length is 20 feet and 4 inches, bumper to bumper. Exterior height is 9 feet, and the exterior width from mirror to mirror is 8 feet 8 inches. So it's really nicely set up. Very, very good shape. Runs and drives wonderful. You have brand new Michelin tires on all the way around, 5 of them, spare tire included. Aluminum wheels, side door. So here you have refrigerator venting. That's your spare, the battery for the camper, which is brand new. Also the engine battery is new. Again, new tires. Furnace exhaust, outside light. You have your outside receptacle there, 2 plugs. Really nice storage in here. Walking around, you have the hitch receiver and your windows to see outside, and your air conditioner. It's 11,000. It's a Cool Cat air and heat pump. Really nice. That's the backup camera there. You have doors open up here, and underneath here is all storage, and the compartment there goes all the way, it opens, and you have storage all the way through for long items. Okay, and down here you have that's valve there to pump up the airbags on it. So it's real nice with about 50 pounds in it. Along the side here, driver's side, is another storage area. So I got some 11 blocks here, and thing to help the sewer hose be at an angle. Sewer hose goes in there. I got a brand new sewer hose, water hose for it. Water tank fill, water heater, and your windows are awning type. Again, tires, awning type window there for the bathroom. Here you have your sewer hose dump area. So your black water's on that side, and your gray water's on that side. And you got city water hookup on the top there, cable, propane tank full, filled there, and your hookup for your campground there for your 110, and the generator 2800. All runs great. Okay, outside shower there, and gas tank fill. So moving around again inside. You have the 2 captain chairs. Both of them will turn around. So you have the driver's side, which goes about 3/4. The passenger side here will turn all the way around. On the dash here, you have an AM/FM CD player, dash air, all that works great. Power windows, locks, power mirrors, cruise control, all that works fine. Over here, microwave, closet, which has a light inside, so you open it, light goes on. That's your table that can set up in the front, or if you choose, you can put it in the back. The other board there on the left is the board that goes in for your power sofa to make it into a great big bed. Okay. Overhead, you have cupboard storage, really nice, all the books there. Storage to the right of the microwave. Storage across the way. Here's your generator switch, an hour meter. It's got 129 hours on it. Monitor panel, and your water heater start there. Switches as you walk in for all your lights are right there. So fire extinguisher. Your galley area is Corian countertops, very, very nice. Stainless steel sink, stove is a flush mount, 2-burner. Cupboards, 2 drawers, furnace. That's your disconnect switch down at the bottom one there. And also your converter is down here. Carbon monoxide, just take to the right of it. Overhead, you have really nice storage area, all solid oak finished, really nice big cupboards in the back over the power sofa. This actually opens up all the way in the back there. The Cool Cat, as I mentioned from the outside there, ACN heat pump. Crossed over here, again, same storage space, really nice. Big storage here. This is your inverter right in here. AM FM CD player. That's your power switch there for your power sofa. TV, deluxe TV. Wonderful. And this is your power sofa down. And the back cushions here with the board that I talked about earlier fits in here. And then the 2 cushions go right here. So you have one great big bed. Okay, your TV antenna is on the roof right there. LED lighting in the center. Bathroom, again, Corian countertop, really nice. 3 drawers right there. Storage space. Your shower setup, window, toilet. It's a porcelain toilet there with a foot pedal flush. Really, really nice. So easy floor to take care of. Your vinyl. All very, very nice, front to back, top to bottom. So for someone here, this will be a wonderful camper to go. Couldn't wear it out if you tried. And give me a call at 321-281-7408 if you have any interest or any questions on it. Thank you. Bye-bye.